The holiday season and advertising seem to go hand in hand, and since holidays often include gathering for meals, food companies like to use recipes to help sell their products. This series of 1950s holiday recipe ads for Carnation evaporated milk were placed in African American newspapers around the nation. These ads featured a photo of Rosalie Scott, an African American woman who worked for Mary Blake, Carnation's home service director. Carnation and Coca-Cola ads were part of marketing campaigns created by public relations pioneer Moss Kendrix, who designed proposals convincing corporate America of the spending power of the African American consumer. In 1948, he established the Moss H. Kendrix organization in Washington, D.C. Ad campaigns led the way for non-stereotypical images of African Americans to appear in national advertising and had a major influence on the way African Americans are depicted in the media. These ads for Nestle Road pie, holiday fruit loaf, creamy carnation cocoa, and ham and turkey divan are part of the Moss Kendrix collection held by the Alexandria Black History Museum. Diversity in modern advertising can be directly linked to the work of Moss Kendrix. This holiday season, count the TV commercials featuring the variety of races, ethnicities, cultures, and types of families that comprise our country. Would Moss Kendrix approve? What do you think?